Space exploration is grappling with the biggest limitation of spaceflight, our own bodies. We have sent people to space for decades, but we're only beginning to learn what that means for the human body. The human body is designed to thrive on the surface of the Earth and not the weightlessness of space. The microgravity of space causes cells to react like wounds, resulting in what is known as space tissue loss. The breakdown of tissue and function presents serious challenges to the health of humans in space. Crew members may experience injury or difficulty in initiating the wound healing process. Astronauts need the ability to heal themselves quickly and reliably in the challenging environment of space. Beyond space, globally advanced wound care is an enormous market valued at over $11 billion, with dressings representing half of this market size. There are many competitors focused on stem cells, hydrogels, scaffolds, and nanotextile wearables, but our approach is different. We focus on healing at the dermis level and healing tissue from the inside out. Our approach is more affordable and user-friendly for crews in space and on Earth. Hello, I'm Dr. Wendy Sloan, CEO and founder of Btech and inventor of the Halcyon SMART Patch, and I am a serial entrepreneur. Our team is located in Cleveland, Ohio, and we have over 10 years of combined experience in wound care, photochemical research, and biomedical engineering. Together, we have worked with NASA, Northeast Ohio Medical University, Rubik's LS, and others. Btech has developed the Halcyon SMART Patch, a unique optic nanomatrix device that delivers and sustains far infrared wavelengths beneath the surface of the skin to promote tissue healing by stimulating blood flow. We've demonstrated great success in initiating early mechanisms of tissue repair. The Halcyon SMART Patch works by reflecting the therapeutic wavelengths of far infrared frequencies to repair wounds by encouraging stimulation of optimal blood flow and recruitment of beneficial cells. Other products heal wounds at the surface level, while our product heals from the inside out, strengthening damaged tissue. The patch is applied to any surface of the skin for whole body healing. The device is non-invasive, non-toxic, and activated by body temperature. We have a provisional patent and preclinical trials set for the summer of 2021. For the space industry, we can optimize blood flow to promote tissue repair to prevent space tissue loss. On Earth, we can help diabetics prevent non-healing wounds leading to amputations by healing and strengthening damaged tissue. Our patch is an inexpensive, user-friendly alternative for treating non-healing wounds. Thank you for your time.